Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Yusel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you one of the company that is currently hiring right now. If you are interested about working from home, if you're looking for a job so that you can be doing from your home, you are invited to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because in this channel I post video every week about working from home opportunities. If you are currently looking for some opportunities, please subscribe to this channel and also share this video to all of your friends in order for me to be able to provide you with the more videos so you can be able to find the work from home opportunity that you might be looking for. Right now I'm going to share a company with you. This company is called Shift Tough. This is a company that is currently looking for people to work from their own home. And then right now we can see here, if we see in what we provide, you see they provide with flexible on-demand contact center support. You see staff perfectly has been fluctuate each day, week, month, or season by connecting with our team of experienced customer care professionals who work in the gig economy. Here, if we go to see an about of the company, if we go to the about here, you see we can see their history. You see when the contact centers can be a wonderful place to work at the best customer experience. Start by taking care of your agents. It's time to rethink the contact center staffing and eliminate mandatory 8-hour schedules, overtime, and low income wages from contact centers. Okay, if we can scroll down here, you can see what it says. Working with Shift Tough was a positive experience. This is a testimony of somebody here that said working with Shift Tough was a positive experience for our organization. They were accommodating and able to scale and train their agents in an impressive turnaround time. They were great to work with a source quality agents. Here, if you see that here, they currently a company that hires agent. They also hire people to work from home. If we go here, we can see become an agent. Okay, so if we go to career section, so that we can see exactly what company that they're currently looking for or what position. And here, if we come here, we see that they have a flexible customer service agent, and right now they are currently hiring for this position. You need to go right now and subscribe for this channel in order for you to be able to see more videos in the future. And if you're currently interested about being a customer service agent, you are mostly welcome to go ahead and apply for this position. If we go here, we can click on it here. Let's see exactly about the position. Let's see about the role here. It is 100% remote. You are going to be working at your own home. And let's see about this position here. About the role here, it says Shift Up is looking for experienced customer service agents to join our community of flexible, independent contact center professionals. We're actively growing our community to support our partners inbound and outbound customer interaction through phone, email, chat, and other channels as independent contractors. And the type of work they do is that they handle inbound and outbound customer interactions through phone, email, chat, and other channels, maintain a high level of professionalism in all correspondence and customer interaction, both internal and external. Answer customer inquiries and access information from multiple sources using various computer programs. And what they're currently looking for right now, they're looking for somebody who has at least 6 months of customer service or call center and technical support experience, and has excellent documentation to follow up skills, has strong computer skills and efficient typing skills, has the ability to use questioning and listening skills for effective telephone communication, has the ability to multitask while building positive rapport with customers. And right now, as you can see here, is that they're currently looking for somebody who is multitasking, is that you can do several things at the same time while you are helping the customer. You can switch to different browsers, and then doing this, it is really important while you are talking with the customer and you're talking with the supervisor at the same time. This is a multitask position. And we have the following expectations. What you're going to be expecting is that you are an experienced contact center pro. This isn't your first rodeo. You have a passion for customer service and find your joy in creating positive experiences with your customers. You bring your own computer monitors, headset, or hardwired internet connection, etc., to meet our device and workspace requirements. You fully understand that it is a flexible and independent contractor and 1099 job, which means that you're going to be responsible of your own tax if you are applying for this position. And you need to understand that Chipsoft Partners volume fluctuates, so there might not always be available work that fits your schedule. And now let's go about the details, the salary. And for this position, they're currently offering $16.50 per hour and to $20. So which means that it's going to be vary from $16 to $20. And the minimum primary hours is that they work from 8 a.m. to midnight Eastern Standard Time. And the campaign days that they have right now available is going to be in right now, January to April 2023. And the training start is going to be on the March. Okay, they're starting from right now, which is the January right now until March. And the primary days that they're working is that the 7 days of the week, and they pay every week. I know that you're currently looking for an opportunity like that. And if you apply for this position, you might earn some extra money. And also you can also work full-time if you want. Let's see about the onboarding process. For you to apply, you need to go in after you feel like you're qualified in reading all those requirements, and you can come down here and say apply. But let's see here, for you to fill out the form, let's say after that, if you pass our initial screening, we will invite you to the background check, which means that you need a background check for you to be able to qualify for this position. In video interview process, so which means that you're going to be invited to do a video. Maybe you're going to be recording yourself. And then our background check provider is Certain, and this is their background check provider. And they are a trusted third party who will protect your personal information. If you are approved to join our community, you'll sign some paperwork and then get access to our portal. And the portal, you will have the opportunity to pick active campaigns to become certified for and work on. Why should you trade Chipsoft? And right now, they're gonna give you all the possibility and also the benefit for you to join their company. And this is Chipsoft. We are revolutionizing, and it's like to work at a contact center. We believe contact centers can be grateful and wonderful place to work, and the best customer experiences start with happy agents. We offer contact center agents the freedom to choose their own schedule and work with a variety of partners. Agents have access to a range of campaigns across industries, complete schedule control, and the ability to earn top contact center pay. And right now, if you're currently available and you're looking for this position, you can come down here, and you need to be located within the United States. And you come here, you fill this application, you put your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number. If you're currently living in the United States, you see here, if you're living in the United States, you're going to be qualified because it says yes in a green color. If it's no, which means that you're not going to be qualified. And the address, you're going to enter all this information. Are you eligible to work in the United States? If you say yes, you're going to be qualified. If you say no, you won't be qualified. and then you should be at least 18 years old or older. You need to have a proof of age, a driver license, probably a passport or government agent ID. And then if you should select the language that you are fluent in, if you are fluent in English or Spanish. But here they give you only the option to say that you're fluent in English. And what is your highest level of education? You need to select it here, and then you need to have 6 months or more experience for this position. And then you're gonna have to attach your resume, including your experiences inside of the resume. And then how many hours do you wish to work supporting shifts of clients? And then you're gonna put the number here. And then you should have a USB headset, which is wired, which is going to be connected to the computer that has a USB port. And then if you need to have those requirements, 15 gigs, a dual monitor, and then 4 GB RAM, Windows 8.1, 64-bit, and yes, they don't ask a lot of internet for this position. You need to have at least 5 Mbps or better, or upload it should be 3, so that's not a lot. And for the latency, it should be less than 150. So here, which is very, very, very important, guys, that you apply for this position. And guys, go ahead and apply right now for this position. And then it is really important that you apply for this position and stay tuned until March so you can be in. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel like you're currently looking for a work from home opportunity, here is the best channel for you to subscribe. You subscribe right now, and we will always send you a notification by the time we post a new video. Thank you, guys.